Georgia is one of a handful of states that does not have a specific statute requiring a set notice period before a landlord enters a rental unit, but that does not give Georgia landlords a free pass to enter whenever they want. Welcome to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com. Here's how landlord entry works in Georgia. Because Georgia has no specific landlord-tenant statute mandating a set notice period, the rules are largely governed by common law principles and the terms of the lease agreement. In practice, this means your lease is your primary guide, and if your lease doesn't address entry, you're expected to give reasonable advance notice. What's reasonable in Georgia? Most attorneys and courts look to the standard of 24 hours as a reasonable notice period, even though it's not codified in state law. Giving less than that exposes you to legal risk. Georgia landlords may enter for repairs, inspections, to show the property to prospective tenants or buyers, and in genuine emergencies. Emergency entry without notice is permissible when there's an immediate threat to the property or tenant safety. Even without a strict statutory framework, Georgia tenants retain the right to quiet enjoyment of their rental. A landlord who repeatedly enters without notice or enters for no legitimate reason can be held liable for breach of the lease or harassment under general legal principles. The practical advice for Georgia landlords: put clear entry procedures in your lease agreement. Give at least 24 hours notice before non-emergency entry. Enter at a reasonable time and document every visit. A well-drafted lease protects you in the absence of strong state law guidance. For complete landlord resources and tenant screening tools, visit tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com.